the finest look. Welcome to my channel. My name is Charlita McKee. I go by Char. Today I'm just gonna be doing like a purple eye with a nude face, like I always do. Like, not a nude face, but you know, like a subtle glam with some pop of color on the eyes, which my lashes, of course, like this, and then the shirt and the. So if you like what you see in this intro, if you like what you see in this intro, please continue to watch and stay forward for step by step on how I achieve this look. And please remember to first thing first before we do last thing last. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your homegirls, invite them to the group, to the finest look, and stay tuned. Go right here. I know where I'm stopping. I feel like because I have to fill in the brow, and my brows aren't long, like lengthwise, like they stop right here, but I want them to end right here. So I need to put a marker. And then even like right here, I want them to stop right here. So I'm gonna put a marker too. But I only fill in up here, I don't go up here, because when I brush it, and then you know, even like right here, it's supposed to stop right here. So that is where we're going to create that curve coming down. Up the brows with this concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way. I always like clean up my brows, but right before I do my eye makeup, I'll go back in and brush them up and clean them up, because you're doing the whole face, it messes up. Remember, hold your brush like at a little angle, so only this small part is touching it, not like the whole brush. Okay, so now that the concealer dried up a little bit, and while I was doing this brow, I'm gonna like fix this brow. So underpaint, I'm gonna go in with my concealer first. No, I'm gonna color correct today. I always wanted to try it. The word on the street is when you color correct, you never go back. So I'm gonna do the sides of my face. Up here, because I got some scarring right here. Should I do it? Might as well try it on the eyes too. Okay. So I'm gonna take a small concealer brush. This is a Bare Minerals brush, and I'm just gonna tap that into the skin. And I'm tapping it instead of swiping it, because I want it to be like fuller. I want it to actually like cover the spots. Okay, so I'm gonna take the butt of the makeup sponge and just even it out a little bit.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with concealer Born This Way in the shade Chestnut. I'm gonna blend that out with the sponge. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Espresso. Before I was gonna like pull it right here. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stick it to the forehead. And then like right where the eye is. Or a little shorter of that.
Purchase your tracks today.
So before I went in with the brush, I'm gonna go in. I like using a stippling brush to buff out. Okay, so that is my contour. Not too deep, but just like subtle. And then I am going to go in with my foundation, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Sandalwood. And usually I do my foundation with a brush, but I kind of want to apply it with the brush, but then buff it out or like tap it into the skin. I don't use too much because I like a subtle but full looker, a subtle but fuller look. And I kind of want my under eye to pop a little bit more, so I'm gonna go in with my LA Coco concealer in the shade Fawn. And so then I always like rub some of the Fenty on the back of my hand, like just a little bit. And then I take the brush I use to like shape up my brows, making sure there's no concealer, or it's okay if there's a little bit because I don't want it to be harsh. And then I kind of like contour my nose a little bit. Okay. So now I'm gonna go into with my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. Matte Blurring Powder Foundation in the shade 405. Just try tapping it in with a brush. Yes, okay. So then now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty small Fenty Beauty, yes. Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter Setting Powder in the shade Honey. And I'm just gonna pop that into the skin. Should I bake with it? Let's try. And just like bake right here. Okay, that brush that I use for foundation, I'm gonna go in it with a bronzer. So I'm using the shade Fenty Beauty in the shade Coco Naughty. Okay. I'm gonna do a purple smoky eye today. So let me get my brushes ready. I'm gonna take a light purple. So I can peek. Okay. That's cute. So I'm gonna take that same brush I cleaned up my brows with, cleaned up everything with, and I'm gonna do a quick fix. Remind you, I'm using the, what is this palette? The James Charles palette from Morphe. This is really pretty. Y'all, I want to go with like a lighter, like sparkle. So now I'm gonna go with the darker purple, and on the outsides. Carve this out a little bit. Was that cute? And that first pink one I had, I'm not gonna add anything on it. I'm just gonna make sure this is blended out. So I wonder if I should go under it with the purple. Shall we? About to. I'm gonna go underneath with that dark purple. Or like a subtle brown. I want to do a brown because I want it to transition really good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my liner, wherever that may be, on the top and the bottom. I always put my lashes on after I spray my face, so let me just make sure my brows are A1 real quick. Okay, so then I always take a spoolie with Gots to Be glue and just brush it to my brows so that my brow hairs stay up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some blush. Yes, some brush, and I might add some highlight, just a little bit, because the eyes are just talking to me. Bro, like, who is she? Okay, so I'm gonna dip some more of that, and they're depotted, so I guess I can just pick it up. So I'm taking this purple and just probably that much, and then I'm mixing it with this brown, and just, yeah, and that's maybe this one. If it fucks up my look, we gonna have a problem. And I don't want it so much, so I'm gonna, yeah, subtle, very subtle. So today I'm gonna put on my lashes, Charlou lashes in the style Flyy, and I like these lashes. I'm gonna curl them See, I already used them before. So I'm gonna curl them before putting them on my eyes. Okay, gonna curl these before putting them on. Just maybe putting them in the front works better. But yeah, I want these curled, okay? I'm gonna put them in a little bit too curled. So while that is drying, I'm going to use the coffee spray from Glow Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mascara on. I wanna try this. I got the sample size for the primer for the lashes. Okay, so obviously I'm just gonna do like a nude lip. I might just do like a liner and a gloss on top, so let's see. Okay, and then I'm just using some little gold speck gloss, 24 karat gold from the like hairstyle. So we're gonna do some edges. Okay, well here is the final look, or the finest look. A purple smoky eye. I really like this palette. I like the purple. It's like fluorescent. But this is the final look. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share, comments, give me some future recommended looks that I can possibly do for you guys. I'm so mad I'm not going nowhere because I just look so good. Oh my god. I need some more gloss. I need some more gloss. Like, juice. Just so, like,